If I can go back and tell myself before I started trading one thing, I tell myself to grow closer to God and to not focus on the money. I know we all trade for the money, but in reality, if that's all you're focused on, you'll end up losing it. And that's definitely a canon event with traders. And to definitely grow closer to God, because building your discipline outside of the charts builds it within the chart. But as I continuously grow closer to God, my trading actually improves. Like, I understand where the market wants to go. It's like I gain a sense of what's the word? I gain a sense of just like a feeling for things, and I just take my emotions out of the picture, and I just realize a lot more things that my emotions and my want for the money blinded me of.